Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Walla. My name is Noah.
And I'm Sara. Thank you so much for joining us today.
We are so happy you are here. Today's topic is fun and useful. The title is, What do you like to do? We are going to talk about hobbies. Hobbies are the things we love to do when we have free time.
Yes, everyone has hobbies. Some people like to play sports, some people like to listen to music, some people like to cook or watch movies. Today, you will learn simple English sentences to talk about your own hobbies.
This lesson is perfect for beginners. We will use easy words and short sentences. We will explain everything slowly and clearly. You will hear the phrases many times so you can remember them easily.
If this is your first time listening to our podcast, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us create more helpful episodes for you. Thank you.
Okay, let's start our conversation about hobbies. Are you ready? Let's go.
Noah, I have a simple question for you. What do you like to do in your free time?
That is a great question, Sara. In my free time, I like to play football. I also like to listen to music. Sometimes I like to read books.
Wow, those are nice hobbies. So the most important phrase we are learning today is, what do you like to do? Let's practice this question together. Listen carefully and repeat after me. What do you like to do? What do you like to do? What do you like to do?
Excellent! Good job, everyone. You said it very well. Now, how do we answer this question? We can say, I like to. Let's practice some answers. Listen and repeat. I like to play football. I like to listen to music. I like to read books. I like to read books.
Very good. You are already making progress. Noah, can you ask me the same question?
Sure. Sara, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to cook delicious food. I like to watch movies, and on the weekend, I like to go for a walk in the park with my family every day.
That sounds really nice and relaxing. Listeners, now it is your turn. Pause the audio for a moment and answer this question out loud. What do you like to do in your free time? Did you answer? Wonderful. Even if your sentence was short, you are practicing, and that is what matters. You are improving already. Let's learn another useful phrase. We can also say, I enjoy. I enjoy is a little stronger than I like. It shows you really love the activity. Listen and repeat these sentences. I enjoy cooking. I enjoy playing video games. I enjoy taking photos. I enjoy going for a walk. I enjoy going for a walk.
Perfect. You did that so well. Noah, do you enjoy anything special?
Yes, I enjoy watching football matches on television. I also enjoy sleeping late on Sunday mornings.
Sleeping late is a very popular hobby. Many people enjoy that. Let's practice more. I will say a sentence and you repeat it. I enjoy listening to music every day. I like to play cricket on weekends. I enjoy drinking tea with my friends. Great work! Keep repeating these sentences. Repetition helps your brain remember the words naturally. Now, let's learn many common hobbies. We will say them slowly and clearly. Here is a list of popular hobbies. Play sports, play football, play cricket, play basketball, listen to music, read books, read stories, watch movies, watch TV, cook food, make breakfast, take photos, draw pictures, paint pictures, sing songs, dance, play video games, go for a walk, go running, exercise at home, go to the gym, travel to new places, sleep, meet friends, chat with family. Sara, what is your favorite hobby from this list?
My favorite hobby is cooking. I like to try new recipes. I enjoy making biryani, paratha, and fresh juice. What is your favorite, Noah?
My favorite is playing football. When I play football, I feel happy and full of energy. It is good exercise, too.
That is wonderful. Listeners, which hobby do you like the most? Think about it and say it in your mind or out loud. Good. Now let's make longer answers. This will help you sound more natural in real conversations. Here is an example. In my free time, I like to play cricket with my friends. We play every Saturday evening. It is fun and we laugh a lot. Another example. After school, I enjoy listening to music. My favorite singer is Atif Aslam.
Let's listen to a short conversation between two friends. Hi, Sara. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and cook. What about you?
I enjoy playing video games and going for a walk. Sometimes I draw pictures.
That sounds fun. Now you can practice this kind of conversation with your friends or family. Let's practice more sentences slowly. I like to drink coffee every morning. My quick breakfast is a banana and tea. I enjoy chatting with my friends on the phone. I like to travel to new cities when I have time. I enjoy dancing to my favorite songs.
Remember, you can change these sentences to match your own life. For example, if you live in London, you can say, I like to go for a walk in the park near my house. Or, I enjoy eating street food with my friends on weekends.
Yes, make the English your own. That is the best way to learn.
Wow, we have talked a lot about hobbies today. You have learned and practiced so many useful phrases.
Let's quickly recap the key phrases. What do you like to do? I like to. I enjoy. In my free time, I like to. Every day, every weekend. Sometimes. Often.
You did an amazing job today. Even if you only remembered a few sentences, that is okay. Little by little, you will speak better and better. Before we say goodbye, here is a fun community question for you. What's the first thing you do in the morning? Tell us in the comments below. Do you drink water? Do you check your phone? Do you drink tea? Do you pray? Do you exercise? We want to know. We read every comment and love replying to you. Your answers make us happy. Thank you so much for listening and practicing with us today. You are a great student. Keep speaking English every day, even for 5 minutes. You are improving already. Remember, we are here to help you like friends. Practice, make mistakes, and have fun. Bye, everyone. Goodbye.